Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Humble, and we are back at it again with another video. This time I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an LED corner light like the one behind me for under 25 bucks. Let's get on with it. But yeah, I was scrolling through Instagram the other day, and I was just looking through nice photos, and I came across the LED corner lights like this one right here. And I thought to myself, let me see how much it costs real quick. So I did, and golly, look at how much that is. 164, 110, 99, 119, 240 even. And then I was like, hold on, it's gotta be cheap, because look how simple the build is. Literally just a bar, some legs, and light. I didn't think it was gonna be that expensive, so I went on Etsy as well. Check it out, but no, prices were very similar. 144, 139, 288 even. Like, Jesus, look at the pricing on this. So that's why I'm here, to show you guys how cheap you can make it, under like $25. But anyway, I'll show you guys the part list right now that you'll need. Bash, oosh, bah, bah, bah. So yeah, this is what you guys need right here. You'll need it's about 2.5 feet or 3 feet, 3/4 inch PVC pipe, 3 end caps of the same size, 3/4 inch, a little extension piece. You'll need a corner piece that has the 3 little hole things. I don't know what you call it. 1 or 2 electrical tape rolls, depending on how long the rolls are. And of course, your LED light strip. And here are the prices, because I can't remember. There's that one, this one, that one, these 2, and that one. And let's get to building. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys don't have a cutter, you might need to buy one. I already had that one laying around in my house. It's a little PVC pipe cutter. It makes the job just that much more easy. You can also use maybe like a hacksaw or like any type of cutting thing that can cut through PVC pipe. All right, so first things first, get one of the PVC pipe things and cut it in half. Find the center point halfway. Just get that right there. Get a nice camera view on it. See how easy this cuts. And boom. So that's pretty much the only thing you need the cutting for. You can just toss that baby aside. All right, and we can start assembling it. So get your little corner piece here. You can build the legs. As you see, it's already coming together. You just connect that piece there. And this is where the extension piece comes to play. Just connect that there, boom. One more for that third piece, and it's all connected. Sorry, my little setup isn't really tall enough to show you guys the full length of this. You need the little corner pieces for the end caps to make it flush. And now the electrical tape is just to pretty much make everything black here. And yeah, time for the time lapse. So after you got your little corner piece here and the 3 caps all taped up, and you're probably wondering why this is not fully flush, and I'll show you guys in just a second here. You can start assembling the legs again. So let's go and do that here real quick. Got that piece, got that. And before we go ahead and this, I'll put on the cap now, and we can start taping again. But I'll show you guys why I love these things specifically like that. Because we are going to start rolling it around like that, as you can see. And once you get all the way around, you start going slightly lower each time so that it creates a seal on where those caps are. You can do that for all 3 caps. See right here? So focus. See how it's sealed up and there's no white edges? So we just gotta start rolling on each little piece of bar. So time lapse time again. There you go. Everything's all wrapped up, all blacked out. I mean, also you don't really need probably electrical tape if you don't really want to go through all the sanding possibly and spray painting. That's just gonna take too much work. So it took me about a roll, but not too bad. And now we can get our LED strip. This is where the full fun begins, actually, I'd say. Get that LED strip right there. Make sure this is perfectly aligned from the corner point, not the other side, because you want this to be shooting at the corner of your wall or any wall that you're trying to have the light bounce off to. You don't want that to be aiming at people's eyes or it's going to be hurting. So let's get the end piece here. Just align your LED light to where you want it, and make sure, do consider where the little bend is going to be at, so you don't want that to be falling out. It's probably about here, because that's where the bend is going to happen for when you plug this in to the wall. That to size, and there you have it. And if you guys also do want to keep this very secure onto here, if you're worried about it coming out, you can tape up the parts where the LED lights aren't going to be covered. So let's say like around here, you can tape it and tape it anywhere else, give it a even more clean look. But that's pretty much the full length of it, and let's get on to plugging it in and seeing how it looks. Oh yeah, if you guys also want, because LED strips normally just come with just a USB itself, so you can plug it into your computer or a plug if you have one. But I'm choosing a plug to plug it into a wall. You can actually buy like a pack of 5 of these at Amazon for like $12, I believe, if I remember. So I'll put that in the description as well. But check out how nice that length on that corner light is. Let's get this baby connected and hooked up somewhere. Let's see here. Literally getting in the way of everything. Let's just drop that for now. Move some stuff on the side. Took some maneuvering, but that's the best I could do for now. I'll just fix it up later, but let's get that plugged in. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Gives it a little nice ambient light. It's not too bad, not too bad. I just really need to figure out to maneuver this to really have it standing out like that. But for a better one, it's right there. Better placement, I mean. But I'll show you guys all the different lights. So we got the white right there, pretty clean. You can do blue, green, red, of course. All the colors you can think of. Could even make it flash like that, like you're in a little rave. Pretty clean, right? You can make it flash slowly. Look at that. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Check that out. And there you have it. Simple enough, right? A nice little LED corner light to have in your room, your studio, your setup, wherever you may like. I enjoyed making this. I hope you guys did, especially for the price, man. Less than half the price as what the market is selling it for. All DIY. I love making stuff like this, especially when I save money. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more content like this maybe, and I'll see you guys next video.